Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. So Greg updated the brake system on this T5R. Over here on the right is your 280s, and over here are these 330s? 320s. Look at the size difference of those things. They come off of an S40. That's the caliper for them. Huge. He said it's noticeable difference. He said he's got stopping power. So I laid the rotors even on one side. Look at the difference in those freaking rotors. 280s to, you say 320s?
320.
Wow. Let's center that thing. That's about center. Look at that. Man, that's massive. The bore is a little different, so you have to take those bigger rotors and get those things opened up a little bit, and the lugs holes have to be drilled out a little, and they'll fit, and you'll be able to run your Titans with them. And on those calipers, what do? You got some kind of special bracket or something?
Yeah, they're DVS. So one goes through in the normal hole, and the other one creates a new hole, basically.
Okay, so you got one bolt that goes through the original hole, and then you got a bolt that goes through that hole for the bracket, and then that goes through the...
Yep. And then you get some PTE braided steel lines to make it all fit.
Okay.
Yep. Powder coated black, just...
Nice. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.